I'm going to make logo professional. It's very simple and elegant and it's easy to make. Align the letter Arisha and draw ellipse tool. Oh, mistake. Undo for Control Z. Oh, Control Z. Ellipse tool. Draw this and this. Don't forget to create outlines. The object and this. Oh, it's small. This will big. This is gonna be big, and this looks even better. Yeah, that's what I look at. Okay, and object, go to object path, offset path, and 3pt. Shift plus mouse. Right click to select object path, offset path, and 2pt. Okay, and select path cut, and this is and shift plus right click to select both objects and control G and right this. It's simple and easy. Control J. J. Okay, that's done. And small, you can shift and alter and drag mouse and click right and right click. Right click. Yes. ओके, छोटा इसको हमने कर देना है, ज़रा सा छोटा करेंगे अच्छा लगेगा। रिपीट का ये ज़रा डिफरेंट है। It's different. And write Arisha flower. Arisha flower. And here's font Montserrat semi bold, semi bold, semi bold. Okay. Semi bold. And click shots as difference. This is big. And align. Hold plus shift. Shift plus right click. Select both objects. Sorry. Control Z. Undo for Control Z. Okay. So and select your text to Control J. Control G, sorry. J, Control G, sorry. Thanks for watching.